I'm super bored. I've been standing around this white void with train tracks for 39 hours straight, and I'm starting to lose my sanity. Whatever, I'll just try to move on with my day by taking a trip around the train tracks. Say, for some reason, I'm starting to see a little bit of skeletons the longer I go. Which is weird because nobody on Sodor Island really sees skeletons that much in the canon universe, only in alternate universes, like in Shed 17. So I'll just move on. Wait, why is it getting darker all of a sudden?